Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and this is my first video I'm uploading in my YouTube. And today we're going to see the three important updates by Instagram. And first update is, if you're under 18, your account should be suspended by Instagram. And the second update is, DM will not be sent directly without the accepting request. And final update is, Instagram using special software to stop the bullies. So before going to video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. So Instagram rolls out restrict features to restrain bullies. So this feature will let users hide comments from posts as an attempt to restrain bullies on a platform. So Instagram introduced a new anti-bully feature called Shutterstock. So Facebook owned Instagram is rolling out a new mode called Restricts globally that will let users stop people who bully them from offensive posts or abusive comments. You can restrict someone by swiping left on a comment through the privacy tab in settings or directly on the profile of the account you intend to restrict. So this will announced on last week. So starting today, you can protect your account from unwanted interaction with a new feature called restrict. Once restrict is enabled, comment on your post from a person who have restrict will only be visible to that person, said by the Instagram. So you can choose to view the comments by tapping see comment options. So, and the next update is direct message will automatically move to message request, and users will not receive notification from restricted accounts. So you can still view the message, but the restricted accounts will not be able to see when you read the direct messages or when you are active on Instagram. You can choose to unrestrict the accounts, and future message will go directly to your inbox. So these additional features have been added by the Instagram. Another update we are going to see is, Instagram is using artificial intelligence to detect bullying and other types of harmful contents like photos and videos and comments. So last month, Instagram announced to restrict people's under age 18 from viewing posts from celebrity influencers that promotes cosmetic surgeries on various weight loss products. In this example, you can see the lot of images like using cigars and drugs from male or female. So, and also the other photos like sexual and bikini photos. So this will be hidden from under age 18, while others will be removed from Instagram as well as parents company platform FB. It has been said by Emma Collins, Instagram public policy manager. So this is the three important updates Instagram officially announced last week. That's it all about in this video. And if you have any questions, just comment in my below comment section and videos. Just click the thumbs up button and first video in my YouTube channel. So keep supporting for upcoming videos. And this is my official page. It has been fully explained for the people who have been interested in trends technology trending technologies of day to day updates and how to make money online. So that's it, and thanks for watching and keep supporting for